Yep.
you're going to have a billion fucking salmon coming.
I know, look at this. The salmon are coming up. Watch them, see them?
Yo, man.
Coming out of the ocean. Walk in there and grab him. I'll get it on video. Grab him. That's what you, there ain't no fishing. Look at that.
This is just proof, folks, that if you can't catch fish in Alaska, just give me all your fishing gear.
Yeah, really.
You can't fish. Yeah, it's starting to come in. I say we go right back to that fucking place, man, pick our shit up, and make this home.
This is home.
This could be 2 days.
This is home here. We found a good spot right here.
Are you shitting me?
And I swear to God, I'll go swimming in that fucking water. I don't
Really?
give a fuck.
Give me a towel for one place. Come on, man, let's go pack this fucker. I ain't afraid to jump in the fucking water. Wow.
Where them salmon? The buffalo up there. Fished all along the coast in Kodiak. This is where we staying. Back around to the buffalo. Stayed over at that point over there. We're staying here tonight. See, we get more salmon. Here comes the rush. Salmon, every thing they come up. I don't see no salmon.